Hi everyone, so today is day 29 of September Lead Coding Challenge, and this is the problem we'll be solving today, split linked list in parts. And in this problem, we have been given head of a single linked list, and we have also been given an integer k. So we need to split this linked list into k consecutive linked list parts. So what should be the size of those k consecutive parts? So for getting the sizes, what we can do, we can first First of all, we have to know how many nodes are present in this linked list, right? So suppose that this is n, right? Then we can divide this n by k, and this will give us x. So we are doing floor division here, right? So this x, so if we will allocate x to all the k sizes, then it may be possible that this will sum up to n, and it is also possible that it won't sum up to n. So if this n was divisible by k, then these will make the sum n. But if n was not divisible by k, then doing x into k won't make n. So some nodes will be left unused. So n mod k will be the nodes that will be left. So what we will do, we will increment the first n mod k parts with 1. So this n mod k part should have the sizes x plus 1, and the rest should have size x, where x is n by k. So this is the how we'll calculate the size of each part. So now after we have got the sizes, now how can we split the linked list? We have to discuss this algorithm. So first of all, we will calculate the number of nodes present in this linked list. So how will we do that? So first of all, we'll use a variable called current, right? And I will initialize it with head. So I will do what? I will use a while loop, and until it is not equal to null, I will keep doing current equals to current dot next. So this will, and I will keep a variable n, and I will keep incrementing it. So after it becomes null, we will have the size n. And so first of all, let us complete that step. Then we can discuss how we'll be doing this splitting thing. So I will use n equals to 0 in start, and I will have list node star current equals to head. And then what I can do while current is not equal to null, then I can do n plus plus, and also current equals to current start next, like arrow next. So now we have got the size n. Now what we can do, we can have a vector, answer vector, basically vector of list node star. So this will contain all the head nodes for all the splitted parts. And now we can do what? We can iterate. We can do I equals to 0 to I less than k. So basically we are running this loop for every part, and we first need to calculate the x. So x is n by k. Yeah. So here n by k is floor division, and here we will have size int real size, something like that. So this will be set to x. So if this I is less than n mod k, then this real size is x plus 1. So now we have got the real size of each of the part. Now we have to split the whole linked list into respective parts, right? So how will we be doing this? So suppose the first part consists of k nodes. So these are the k nodes, and I will use the variable current to point the start of this each part. So in the start of this loop, this current will be equal to head, and if this first we need to handle a corner case. So if this real size is equals to 0, then what will we do? We will push null pointer, push back in the answer vector, and then we will continue. So if this is not the case, if everything is normal, then what we will do? First we will push the present current counter, because that is the head of the current segment. And in the end, after this k nodes, we need to disconnect this part. So basically we have to disconnect here. So how will we do? And we need to set this current to here, so that we can uh, do the same thing for the next part. So after doing k iteration, this current node will reach here. So we don't want to reach it here, we want to reach it here. So we will do k minus 1 iterations to reach it here, and then we will store the this node into some other variable. So I will call it temp, and then I will do current equal to current dot next. So this current will move to here, and I already have this node into temp. So I will do temp dot next equal to null. So this will like split this part from the rest of the part, and we can do the similar thing for this part in the next iteration. So this is how we'll be doing this. So what we can do, we have to make k minus 1 iterations. So here k is real size, so I will make j minus real size minus 1 j plus plus. So we have to do current equals to current arrow next, right? So now we have reached here, so we can use a temporary node to like temporary pointer to store the value of current, and then we can do current equals to current dot next, and now we can do what? Temp next equals to null. So the present part is separated from the rest of the part, and we can do the similar thing for next part. So this will give us all the heads of the each of the parts in the answer vector. So we can return the answer. So we can try running it on the sample test cases. It is working. We can submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So see you guys on the day 30. That is the last day of this September challenge. Until then, keep lead coding.